Welcome to this video on Cancer moon sign, also known as Karka Rashi in Vedic astrology. Cancer moon individuals are known for their nurturing, emotional, and intuitive personalities. Ruled by the moon itself, they are deeply connected to their emotions and often have a natural ability to understand the feelings of others. One defining trait of Cancer moon people is their caring nature. They are highly empathetic and protective of their loved ones, often putting others' needs before their own. Their emotional depth allows them to form strong bonds, but it can also make them vulnerable to mood swings and emotional turbulence. Cancer moon individuals are highly intuitive and imaginative. They have a rich inner world and are often drawn to creative or artistic pursuits. Their intuition helps them navigate relationships and life challenges with a sense of understanding and foresight. In relationships, Cancer moon people are loyal, devoted, and affectionate. They prioritize emotional security and thrive in relationships where they feel loved and valued. However, their tendency to hold onto the past can sometimes hinder their ability to move forward. Family life for Cancer moon natives is of utmost importance. They are deeply attached to their family and often play the role of caregiver. Their mothers, in particular, have a profound influence on their emotional development and values. Physically, Cancer moon individuals often have a soft and comforting appearance. Their expressive eyes and gentle demeanor reflect their warm and nurturing nature. When faced with challenges, Cancer moon people rely on their emotional strength and resilience. They adapt to changes with grace and focus on creating a safe and stable environment for themselves and their loved ones. Their life motto is nurture and protect. In summary, Cancer moon individuals are nurturing, intuitive, and deeply emotional. Their ability to connect with others on an emotional level and their dedication to creating harmony make them truly special. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other moon signs.